I'm here at Microsoft's Envisioning Lab, where researchers are dreaming about the future of productivity. And this is a giant touch wall, where we have different ways to interact with data. This is pretty cool. Open this up, we've got information about mobile phone adoption. This is raw data that's constantly flowing in. Microsoft can show this to customers and really get their feedback on how they might use something like this. Lots more cool stuff in the lab. Let's go take a look. Well, now we're inside the belly of the Envisioning Lab at an idea for sort of a workstation, a desk. Tell me what's going on here.
As you have more screen real estate, does it make sense to keep having larger and larger application windows? Or at some point, do application windows go away and you do your work in something like a virtual information space?
So here I've got my whole project space spread out across these 3 screens. You know, I've got little documents and sheets of paper that I can move around down here. And here I've got different windows into different aspects of my life. Maybe I don't want to just look at my project. Maybe my wife calls during that, and I can take a look at what's happening at home.
Exactly. We think people have, they play multiple roles during the day. They work on different projects, and there's a huge cost to switching between these on a workstation today. So we're experimenting with concepts that allow you to create different work contexts and switch rapidly between them.
Okay. Let's take a look at what else you've got over here. Here we've got a concept that's going to be familiar to gaming fans everywhere. Project Natal, which is coming to the Xbox 360 later this year. Rather than using a traditional game controller, you can use your body to move information around. Now, there's some chance that technology like this might find its way to the office.
It may not sound realistic for a traditional office environment, but for example, in an operating room where a doctor can't touch anything because in the middle of a surgical procedure, the ability to navigate through imagery data can make the difference between life and death. So there are some legitimate applications.